If you are heading out for your first snorkel trip and feeling a bit anxious, you are not alone. In fact, it's one of the most common things people feel before stepping off of the dock. Our crew sees it every single day. They know exactly how to handle it, and almost every time, that nervous energy completely evaporates within the first 5 minutes in the water. Let's be honest up front. Being nervous doesn't mean you aren't cut out for this. It just means you're human and you're about to try something completely new. An anxious first-timer isn't a problem or an inconvenience to the crew. It's exactly who they are trained to take care of every single day. There's zero shame in it, so let's break down exactly what to expect so you can feel ready. The biggest misconception is that snorkeling requires you to be a powerful swimmer. In reality, the ocean does almost all the heavy lifting for you. Unlike a freshwater swimming pool where treading water requires a significant amount of work, Maui's seas are much denser, which allows you to be more naturally buoyant. Because you will have an easier time floating at the surface, you'll spend more time looking down at the reef below than actively swimming. Add a flotation device provided by the crew, and the experience can be as easy as you'd like. You can stay right next to the boat, move entirely at your own pace, and see the exact same beautiful reef as everyone else without exerting too much effort. Plus, a lifeguard is right there in the water with you, ready to help if you need it. The second hurdle most first-timers face is simply getting used to the gear. Breathing through a tube with your face submerged feels unnatural at first. It can feel a little claustrophobic, and the sound of your own breathing echoes loudly in your ears. For a lot of people, conquering that first 60 seconds is the whole battle. The trick is remembering that the crew is here to set you up for success. Before you ever touch the water, they've helped fit you with a mask and fins that are right for you. Also, you always get to move at your own pace. You can ease in right by the boat and allow yourself to acclimate to the experience. You can put your face in the water and just practice taking slow, deep breaths while looking at the quiet reefs below. Once your brain realizes it can breathe perfectly fine, your body relaxes, and you'll quickly forget you're even wearing a mask. If something feels off, you just step right back on board. Nobody's keeping score. It's also completely normal to feel a little intimidated by the vastness of the open ocean. But our crews don't just drop you into the deep, empty blue. They have spent the morning tracking weather patterns and reading currents specifically to pick a snorkeling destination where the water is calm and clear, the bottom is easily visible, and the boat is always just a few swim strokes away. Instead of an intimidating unknown, what you see is a bright, busy ecosystem of coral, tropical fish, and unbothered sea turtles gliding past. If you are nervous but curious, this experience is genuinely built for you. There is absolutely no pressure. If you want to take it slow, a crew member will be right there to hand you your gear, check your fit, and guide you into the water at your own speed. And if you get to the reef and decide you'd rather stay on deck, that is completely fine too. Plenty of people join us just to enjoy a beautiful morning cruise, feel the ocean breeze, and sightsee from the comfort of the boat. No one is going to talk you into anything you aren't comfortable with. A favorite part of the cruise day isn't the ultra-confident swimmers diving down deep. It's watching the person who is quiet at the dock and unsure at the railing finally take that first breath, look down, and lift their head back up a few minutes later with a massive smile. Being nervous is just part of the process, but it isn't the thing standing between you and an unforgettable day. The worries you have are identical to the ones thousands of travelers have had before you. Trust the gear, lean on the crew, and let the ocean do the rest. If you want a clearer picture of what the first time in the water looks like, we've put together a step-by-step visual guide linked below. We hope to see you out on the water soon.